The international offshore wind industry is expanding rapidly, rising from 2.2 gigawatts in 2016 to 6.1 gigawatts in 2021. This is because of new installations and advancements in China and the United States. Offshore wind energy is clean and renewable energy, gained by harnessing the wind's force on the open seas, where it reaches a greater and more steady speed than on land due to the lack of impediments. To make the most of this resource, megastructures sat on the seabed and outfitted with cutting-edge technological advancements are built. Offshore wind farms are now positioned in shallow seas, up to 60 meters deep, away from the shoreline, marine traffic routes, vital naval sites, and ecologically significant areas. According to a recent press release, Wind Catching Systems, the inventor of floating offshore wind technology, has announced a Series A funding round of up to $10 million headed by GM Ventures to assist and support the technology's development and commercialization. Wind Catching Systems and General Motors have also signed a strategic partnership agreement spanning technological development, project execution, offshore wind legislation, and the growth of sustainable technology applications. The goal is to enable offshore wind operators and developers to produce power at a cost competitive with other energy sources, without the need for subsidies. The company is working on floating multi-turbine technology. According to the statement, the technology is predicted to reduce land use by more than 80% and boost efficiency considerably when compared to traditional floating offshore wind farms. Wind Catching Systems technology is expected to have a structural design life of 50 years, cost significantly less to maintain than conventional floating offshore wind solutions, and address sustainability issues such as recycling, marine resources, and CO2 emissions from installation and maintenance. One wind catching unit is estimated to provide the same amount of energy per year as 5 conventional 15-megawatt offshore wind turbines. Wind Catching Systems and GM Ventures are exploring areas of collaboration, including engineering and design processes and sustainable sourcing. There are various advantages to using renewable energy since it is endless. Wind is an infinite resource and does not damage the environment. The wind blows more at sea than on land, and it may provide up to double the power of onshore installations. Furthermore, because these plants have a smaller aesthetic effect and are less loud, their installed power may be significantly greater than on land, reaching hundreds of megawatts. Similarly, marine transport is simple, allowing for significantly greater unit capabilities and sizes than are achievable on land. Let us know what you think. Are offshore wind farms the answer to the energy eyesores? Thanks for watching.